Top 10 Fire Safety Tips for Children Ahead of Bonfire Night this weekend. Top 10 Safety Tips. Avoid wearing loose clothing or clothing that is labeled as highly flammable. Always wear gloves when handling sparklers and fireworks. Always have buckets of water ready to put out small fires or cool sparklers. Make sure children are supervised around fireworks and bonfires. Never drink alcohol if you are setting off fireworks. Keep animals indoors and close curtains. Only purchase fireworks that are sold by a registered seller. Follow instructions carefully and light fireworks at arm's length. Ensure spectators stand back from bonfires and fireworks. Never go back to a firework that has been lit, even if it hasn't gone off. Northumberland Fire and Rescue Service is reminding residents to take precautions and plan ahead for Bonfire Night. In what's the busiest time of year for our crews, we always recommend residents visit organized public displays which are much safer, more spectacular, and more cost-effective. We know of a number of events planned across the county, and it's worth checking locally for more details. Organized displays in Northumberland. Hadston Fireworks, Friday, November 4th, 5:45 p.m. Hexham Bonfire and Firework Event, Saturday, November 5th, 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Blythe Fireworks Festival, Saturday, November 5th, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Prudhoe Town FC Fireworks, Saturday, November 5th, 6:45 p.m. 10 p.m. Alnwick Round Table Fireworks, Saturday, November 5th, 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Fallstone Firework and Bonfire Event, Saturday, November 5th, 6:30 p.m. 8 p.m. Bonfire Night at Alnmouth Common, Saturday, November 5th, 5:30 p.m. 8 p.m. Fireworks on the Wall Heddon, Sunday, November 6th, 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Morpeth Rugby Club Bonfire and Fireworks, Sunday, November 6th, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Please click on the links above for official websites or event posters. Safety at home. Remember, you are only permitted to build a bonfire on private land, leaving at least 18 meters distance from buildings, trees, electrical items, and telephone lines. The only safe fuel sources to use for a bonfire are wood, paper, cardboard, and foliage. Under no circumstances should aerosols, tires, plastics, or anything containing foam or paint be used on the fire, as these produce toxic fumes and some containers may explode.